How old do you think she is? 40? Maybe 42? You're wrong. She was born in 1969. That makes her 55 years old today. And yet, when you look at her, you don't see someone past their prime. You see a woman who radiates strength, confidence, and energy. She is living proof that age can work for you, not against you. This is Irma, known as Stay Active Mamacitas, a Latina born in Mexico, now living in Southern California. She's a mother, a wife, and she works full-time. But even with all those responsibilities, she chose not to let life or age define her. She chose to take control, to stay active, and to build the body and mindset of her dreams. At 55, while many people slow down, she decided to speed up. Her secret is not magic. It's not a pill, not a filter, not a surgery. Her secret is strength training. The art of lifting weights, pushing limits, and shaping the body through discipline. She deadlifts, she squats, she pushes her body with intensity. Drop sets, high reps, rest pause training, things many half her age avoid. She proves that strength does not belong to the young. Strength belongs to the consistent. But it's not just about the gym. Her lifestyle reflects balance, discipline, and care. Her diet is built on clean, whole foods, lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, and hydration. She avoids processed foods, sugary temptations, and quick-fix fads. Instead, she focuses on sustainability, food as fuel, not as a comfort or a distraction. There are no extreme diets, no all-or-nothing approaches. Just balance, just common sense, just the commitment to treat her body with respect every single day. Her message is clear. Fitness is not about looking good for others. It's about feeling alive for yourself. It's about waking up with energy, with purpose, and with the confidence that you're stronger than yesterday. She openly shares that her only regret is not finding this lifestyle earlier. Imagine if she had started 10 or 20 years ago. But here's the real lesson. It doesn't matter when you start. It matters that you start at all. And people notice. When you see her smile, when you see her lifting, when you see her energy, you realize she is not just aging well. She is rewriting what aging looks like. At 55, society might expect decline, weakness, or fatigue. But instead, she's climbing higher, inspiring not only women her age, but also the younger generation. Because strength doesn't have an expiration date. Consistency doesn't have an age limit. And confidence only grows when you take action. She often talks about her fitness family, the community she found through this lifestyle. They support each other, challenge each other, and prove that transformation is easier when you're not alone. She has become an example, especially for women, that motherhood, work, and age are not excuses. They're simply part of the journey, reasons to keep going, not reasons to stop. Think about this. She works full-time, she's a wife, she's a mom. Her schedule is packed. Her responsibilities are endless. But she makes time not because it's easy, but because it's necessary. Because she understands that when she takes care of herself, she shows up better for everyone else. That is the true meaning of self-care. Strength that serves not just you, but your entire family. Her philosophy is simple. You're never too old to start, but you are always too young to give up. If she can lift heavy weights at 55, what's stopping you at 35? If she can embrace fitness while juggling work and family, what excuse do you really have? Yes, she's 55, but her spirit? Forever 40. Because age is just a number. The real difference is your decision. She decided to rise, to fight, to challenge the stereotypes. She decided that 55 could be powerful, beautiful, and inspiring. And that's the challenge she leaves for you today. Will you keep saying, someday, or will you decide to start today? Because the truth is, the body you want, the energy you crave, and the confidence you admire, they are all waiting for you. All it takes is the choice to begin and the courage to stay consistent. So take this as your wake-up call. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop believing that your best years are behind you. They are not. Your best years begin the moment you decide to take control. She did it at 55, and so can you. Age is just a number. Strength is a decision. And your story? It starts now.